Oliver.
Okay, explain what happened here.
So today, we went to a pet store and to a breeding place, and then we got a puppy. Then we went to get some toys, and then now we're here. Wanna go down, baby? Go down.
Okay, so Michael, explain to me how he got his name.
So I go to do perfect. And then one of Do Perfect's name, and then got a puppy, and then named it Oliver. So that's how I thought out that name.
Oliver, yeah. So do you like him?
Yeah.
Okay.
What color is he?
I can call Obby.
Like dark cappuccino, let's say? No?
He's looking for Bunny. Bunny's in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Daniel, run this way. He'll chase you. See? If you run around, he'll chase you.
What are you doing? He peed there.
He peed there?
Yeah.
He's Russian territory.
Yeah.
It's all his territory now.
Yeah. No. It's okay, Michael, don't worry. Did I get to lift?
So that is Oliver. Today's October 3rd. Oliver was born on September 2nd, or sorry, August 2nd. So he's 2 months and 1 day old, exactly. The little dude.
He's so happy. Oh my goodness. It's so happy. Papi's so happy.